This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I, JulianTechTM, set out to be the first person in Singapore to get the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I was right here at Orchard Road Apple Store for the iPhone 14 Pro. And in 2023, I was here at Marina Bay Sands Apple Store for the iPhone 15 Pro. This exact phone.
Oh, hello.
So the question is, will I get the iPhone 16 Pro Max this year? Where will I get it? And will I meet my Vietnamese friend again that I've been seeing every year?
See you next year.
See you next year. Stay tuned to find out. The Apple event just ended and I have mixed feelings about it. Mostly good, some bad, actually just one bad. So let's start with the good. The iPhone 16 looks fresh because of the new back camera design, especially because of the new colors. Ultramarine. They skipped the A17 straight to A18 chip. Apparently it has a 30% improvement from iPhone 15. And I believe they need that performance is because they want to put Apple Intelligence into the non-Pro version. And also there's a new camera control button on the non-Pro and Pro version. For the iPhone 16 Pro, the main thing that I took away is the wide camera from 12 megapixel to 48 megapixel. For me personally, I actually use the wide angle more than the regular camera. So I approve. With the A18 Pro, faster processing means we can take videos in 4K 120 FPS. Yeah. We are there now. And the screen is bigger, 2 inches bigger from the last 15 Pro and Pro Max. Now let's talk about the not so good. You probably noticed I didn't really get into the Apple Intelligence when Apple Intelligence is the biggest thing because it's not gonna launch during the iPhone 16 launch. It will be coming in October, and if I'm not wrong, not everything will be out. I mean, it's really cool, you know, you can generate emojis, better Siri, prioritize like notifications, but it's just a promise. But honestly, I'd rather they take their time than to launch something that is not very good. So what's my strategy this year? Honestly, my end goal when I started this whole series was to establish myself enough so that Apple would send me the iPhone earlier, so that I can make videos, you know, impression videos, review videos. And if you notice, the bigger tech YouTubers, they upload the review 2 days before the iPhone launch, meaning they got the iPhone a lot earlier because they need to produce the video. And I think this year, I'm one step closer because I'm using my iPhone to record this because this just happened. You know, every year I do the iPhone video, right? So I'm thinking of trying something new. So I shot my shot and I went to talk to iStudio. Hey, cat. Meow meow. Yes, meow meow. No? And I didn't know it would work. Basically, I gave them an email pitching my idea of me getting the iPhone 16 Pro Max, right? And I asked if they can reserve me a spot to buy the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It took some time to get back to me, but when they did just now, they said they were gonna give me an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Not early like the bigger YouTubers, but baby steps. Baby steps. But if you know life, nothing is free, so I'm gonna have a talk with the marketing at iStudio and we're gonna see what I have to do. So I'll see you back at home. Yeah.
3 hours later.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. Okay, so I had a very interesting talk. I learned more about iStudio and the company and what they needed from me. So I wrote it out here. They want me to create a video promoting their repair services because they just got premium partner, which means they are authorized to repair Apple products. And this is even if you didn't buy from them. And the video is not for me to post or anything, is they want to use it themselves. So I just need to produce a video. In a way, if I add this in, it's a way of promoting or educating you guys about iStudio. Even though they didn't ask for this video to promote their stuff, I feel like I should. I thought it was quite interesting talking to them just now, but if you don't care about this, I'll make it easy for you guys, okay? So if you're like me, you might be wondering what's the point of iStudio. iStudio is a premium partner with Apple, which means they can customize certain things for the local needs. For one, iStudio has 22 locations and 4 of which is at the airport. Duty free, and all the locations are super convenient all around Singapore. Another thing is, as a premium partner, they are authorized to do repairs on Apple devices. If you see the premium partner logo, they can handle on-site repairs and sometimes even return your device on the same day. If the store is a premium reseller, you can drop off your device and schedule a return date. Lastly, let's talk about payment method. Because like I mentioned, more local needs, they can have things like Grab Pay. That means you can use Pay Later and split the payments into installment from 4 up to 12 months. Also, you get Grab points. Even though I already secured my iPhone 16 Pro, I wanted to look for my Vietnamese friend, but unfortunately, he was not there. I'm not sure what is it, but this year seems different. Even courts, there used to be long queues overnight for the last 2 years. Today, it's empty. I came back home because I forgot to bring my mic, and I am truly disappointed that I didn't manage to find my Vietnamese friend. I really thought he would be there, and I had this whole storyline in my head. I would interview him on like the features he want to see on the iPhone 16 Pro, and I would ask him, do you put cases on your iPhones? And if he say yes, I say, you know what, if you get your iPhone 16 Pro, call me and I'll come to your house, or rather downstairs his house, and I will pass you a CASETiFY case, right? It's can integrate the CASETiFY in it, and then later on I give it to him. That's not gonna happen. So you know what? I will have multiple cases. I'll give one away to one of you guys and the first person in line at the Tampines Mall iStudio store. Yeah, I think yeah. I'm waiting for my Grab. So yeah, let's go. Okay, it's 7:30. I'm outside Tampines Mall iStudio. So iStudio do it a little bit different. You can see they black out the thing so you can't see what's inside. So I'm going to give one of the case to the first person in line. Yeah. You're number one in iStudio Tampines. What's your name?
My name is Young.
Youngs.
Yeah.
Okay. You're not very good with English, but don't worry.
Yeah.
Got Google Translate on my iPhone 15 Pro.
Yeah.
Why are you looking forward to the iPhone 16 Pro?
So add camera.
Camera, yeah? Yeah. Do you put case on your phones?
No put case.
You don't put case?
Yeah.
But do you want?
Yeah.
You want?
Yeah, I got.
Okay, I have 2 case. You can choose from CASETiFY.
Yeah.
Which one will you want?
I choose one.
Oh,
Yeah.
this one?
Yeah, this one.
This one is nice, right?
For you?
Yeah, from you.
Yeah.
For you?
Thank you.
Wait. I got a box for you.
Yeah.
CASETiFY. So you just put it here.
Thank you so much.
For being number one.
Yeah.
Number one. They're opening the blinds. And really nothing big happened. It was actually very efficient. Everyone in the queue got a ticket number so they don't have to stand all the way. And my iStudio marketing guy lead me in and passed me the iPhone 16 Pro Max at 8 AM. So now I was done and I was off to the office to do the unboxing. I'm back in the office with the iPhone 16 Pro Max Desert 1 terabyte. I've never got a Pro Max before. I've got the 14 Pro and the 15 Pro. Let's do the unboxing. Ta-da! Now they coil up the cables as an oval instead of circle. If you ask me, this Desert looks pretty good. The finish is a bit more shiny, less matte. And there we go, the iPhone 16 Pro Max 1TB Desert Titanium. I mean, it's a shame that AI is not out yet, but you know what? I'm gonna use this bad boy, let y'all know my first impressions, and also do the drop test, right? 10 meters. I'll do it in the next video, okay? Every iPhone video I do, I learn some lessons and talk to some people on and off camera. And I know there's a message there. I can't put words to it right now. So future Julian will do it. Future Julian is here. Put you down. This year might not be as exciting as the last 2, but for me personally, it's been great. Getting to know the iStudio team was a highlight off camera. And I even made a new Vietnamese friend. Anyway, after the camera stopped, we had a conversation. I asked him why was he in Singapore here for vacation. He said that Singaporeans are friendly. Okay, and how Singapore is so clean. And let me tell you, he was so happy with the CASETiFY case. He kept thanking me over and over. And to my other Vietnamese friend that I tried to find, if you are looking for an iPhone 16 Pro Max case, reach out, Instagram. 2 more case, I can give one to him and one to one of you guys. But I'll do it in the next iPhone video, along with the 10-meter drop test. So keep an eye for that. Now, this is probably the last time I'll continue this series of getting the iPhone in Singapore first. Not because I don't want to do this, but because I'm getting older. And the sleepless nights are catching up to me. Don't get me wrong, I really love the hustle, but my body is telling me otherwise. But you know what? There's a new tech TikToker in Singapore that wants to do the whole buy the first iPhone in Singapore. And he did reach out to me asking questions about the iPhone, and I did give him advice. So it feels like I'm passing the baton to someone for this series. So thank you everyone for following this series. I mean, I will still want to get the first iPhone in Singapore. I just won't do it like this anymore. It has been an incredible journey. But don't worry, I'm still making tech videos. I'll still have the first impression, the review, some hidden features, maybe. More content is coming, and hopefully with more sleep. Hope you enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Or just comment. Yeah. Thank you. I'm done.